Cut.
Hello, Simon?
You speak English or not really?
Not really.
Yeah.
Google Translate.
Google Translate, yeah.
Yeah, this Terano.
That's the Terrano.
Where you come from?
Czech Republic.
Where?
Europe.
Europe. Okay.
It looks good. I'm from Indonesia. I've already been a few days here and I'm just trying to buy a car here, but it proves a little bit more challenging than in the Philippines. I already went to see cars 2 times and I didn't like neither of them. And the first problem is the language and the communication. I'm always on Facebook and Translator trying to communicate, but yeah, I was about to see another car like an hour ago, but I didn't get any response from the owner, so I don't know what's happening. She's probably in the area without signal, so yeah, but the good thing is that it's gonna be possible. I just need to find the right car and my budget is actually a little bit lower than was in the Philippines. Yeah, it's hard to just stay focused and try not to get scammed and keep the mind clear. So Selamat.
How are you, Mr.?
Good. Speak English?
Speaking little, sir.
Little good.
Little bit.
Whose car is this? You. Yeah, so I looked at it, the oil. It's not. When did you change? It looks old. Good morning. So it's been already 3 days. I'm looking for a car. I went to see a few, but I didn't like any that much. But today I'm gonna see 2 cars, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna buy one of them. So my budget is around 40 to 50 million rupiah. And the first car is Mitsubishi Kuda. The second one is Honda CR-V. Both are year 2002, I believe, and about the same price. The Mitsubishi is a little bit cheaper, but it also happens in the negotiation. So the car.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm in the university waiting for the other car to arrive. And yeah, the communication with the Indonesians is quite bad. Like for this car, we already had 3 appointments, and this is the last one. And if she doesn't come now, I just give up because like she canceled so many times. Well, not really canceled, just changed the plans so many times. So yeah, she should be here right now, but still don't see her. So I see the car now. Okay. That's the car just glittering through the gate, so let's go for it.
Hello, Mr.
Selamat.
Selamat.
This is it, right? Apa kabar? Apa kabar? Selamat siang. Okay, another day on the hunt and was also not successful. But I think I'm gonna buy the first Honda. I negotiated the price down quite a bit, and thinking about it, the repairs shouldn't be that bad. But I don't know. We agreed to meet tomorrow morning, so I have some time to still think about it. And hello. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do it because like the Honda CR-V has a value. So I mean, from the outside it looked very nice. Good morning. So I'm on the move again, and this time I think I'm gonna do it, but I figured out a little cheat code. I called the nearby car service to come there with me to check the car. So if he says it's not a big problem and he can repair it cheap, then I'm just gonna take the car. So yeah, I'm kind of excited going to the other part of the city again.
Name, sir?
Simon,
Miguel.
Miguel,
Yes.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Iyo, kita lihat scroll kayaknya begitu. Aku deh boleh mau kasih tahu akan pada itu pompa bensin di Mukarang di sebelah kiri sini.
Okay, so it's official. I bought this car. Crazy, man, crazy. Yeah, I'm just driving outside of the mechanic shop, and yeah, he's gonna order the parts. Then I'm gonna go to the AC shop to repair the air conditioning. But yeah, I'm quite excited. Still a little bit nervous if I made the right choice, but I think for what the car is, and even the mechanic says that that's a good price. So yeah, got the car. Can't wait what he's gonna do. Okay, so after 4 days, mission successful. Now it's parking in my house. So, so how crazy is that? I bought a car in another country yet again. I quite like it. It has some issues. I have to go to the mechanic to seal the gasket, and then the AC doesn't work. That's gonna cost maybe 5 million to repair, but I think the price was very cheap, so all considered, I think I made a good purchase, but only time will tell if I did. Yeah, the process of buying a car is actually quite straightforward. The car can stay written under the name of the first owner or the previous owner, so I'm not gonna worry about that. There is like a registration, I'm not really sure how that works. That's like every few years, and this one has it valid till 2029, so there is plenty of time. But the kind of problem is the tax, and you need to pay the tax every year, and this one has expired, but the owners I bought this from them promised me they will help me with that. Actually, I made a little safety feature for myself. I didn't pay them all the money, only like 95%, and if they want to get the rest, they will need to figure out the tax. So when they give me the tax receipt, I will give them the rest of the money. But yeah, I think they are pretty solid people, so that should be good. And yeah, I'm excited for this new chapter, and I will probably do a more detailed video talking about the process of buying a car as a foreigner in Indonesia. Just the most important thing is know a little bit about cars or get someone that does, because yeah, you can do it, but the money is always the problem. And if you want to make a good purchase, then it's gonna take time and it's gonna take some knowledge. So okay, so I don't know if I'm just being recklessly stupid or just stick to the Indonesian lifestyle. Yeah, but yeah, I just left the car at the mechanics without any paper or any confirmation, just by a good word. So it's crazy. I'm tired. The car is broken. The AC issue is more complicated. And yeah, it's what a crazy day. I bought a car, I went with it here, I had problems with it, then I didn't have problems with it, then I gave the mechanic, I worked on it, and now I don't have it again. So, yeah, whatever. Good night.